Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing well. So today I'm gonna give you how to create account and how to use the InMotion hosting. Like usual, first thing, let me give you a short idea about it. The InMotion hosting is a reputable web hosting company known for its reliable services, excellent customer support, and fast loading speeds. They offer various hosting options and prioritize user-friendly interfaces and robust security features. So let's get into the website to know more about it. So to get in, go to the search bar in Google and write InMotion Hosting or InMotionHosting.com. So this is the result I got after my search. We need this one. This is the sponsored one, and this is the real website or the original website. So let's click on it. Now we are on the interface of the website. So let's click on accept. This is the interface. Like all websites, we have different plans with different prices over here. We will come back on it later to know and to explain it. Now let's try to sign up and create account. We go over here and click login. So this is first for the peoples are already have account in InMotion. We don't, so let's come back to the answer page to look for sign up for the first time. So this is the interface. So let's try over here and get started. Let's try to create account. So first we need to select one offer or one plan. There is here different plans with different prices and different services. So to select the Aspire, you need to pay this price, and for the Essential, you need to pay this price, and about the Advanced, you need to pay this price and the Elite another price. Every price and every plan has different services, okay, and different months and like that. So first let's try to select one. I will not create an account because I don't need to work on this website, but I will show you how to do that. So let's try this one, the Aspire. This website is also present to you reliable hosting. The InMotion hosting ensure high optimized and reliable performance for websites, minimizing downtime and keeping websites accessible. So let's see what we have here. So you can read this information or just skip it. Let's click on continue. This is the total price that I need to pay if I create account on the website. Let's cancel this one. The domain, choose your domain name. InMotion Hosting can host any domain in the register.com, net, org, biz, use, and information. I would like to purchase a new domain. Okay. Enter a domain. It should be like this. This is like example. Now let's make search right here. Unfortunately, academy.com.co.com. Okay. I get it right now. So I need to delete this one and choose right here this one, and let's search again. Okay, let's try to make PW here, and try to search again. Okay, let's just put this. I don't need one. This is will be your domain. You can remove it or just use it. Let's continue. The other step, billing. The billing detail. Log into EPM, your primary email address and your password right here. You should to remember it because you will need it later. And the new customer, enter your email address. Okay, let's try the right one. Okay, continue. This website is also present to you excellent customer support. Let's try to put our first name, last name, company name. Okay, here you will select your country. For example, let's choose United States. Your address line first and your second address line. This one is optional. When you say optional, that means you can just cancel it. Here the city, the state, you will choose it from here. Okay, let's choose home, different. Your number phone, you will just here and here your number of your country, and you will choose a password here, like example, and you will rewrite. Okay, the all of characters are alphabet and okay. Password is too weak. Okay, let's try now. Okay, this is the invalid one. Okay, now you will now you will just complete right here. Complete your billing information. Use my account information for my billing information, or my billing information is different from my account information. Let's put here. Here you will put your first name, your last name, the same information that we put on here. And then when you just get here, this is the payment method. There is information about your credit card, card number right here. That means this number in front of the card. Example, this is the example, and the dates or the card expiration, the month and the year, and then the signature code. It's also in the behind of the card. So this is how to create accounts on this website, and after it you will review your order, the last step after you complete the billing. So now let's come back to the interface page to know more information about this website. When you will create your account here, you will be in the same interface page. The first or the only difference that you will find that you will be in your account and you can make your order so easily. So it's back. Now we have more information. Here we can read it or just cancel it to know more. We have dedicated server features like website transfers, tier 1 network, Linux, experts, and multi-layer defense, free SSL, and more. And another thing I need to tell you, this website is also present to you fast loading speeds. That means InMotion hosting utilizes high performance services and technologies to deliver fast website loading times, improving user experience and search engine rankings. So that's all in the video of today. If you like it and you just understand me, please follow and subscribe for more. So like usual, bye bye to the next video and the next website.